In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We're going to walk through how to quickly update the name of your Notion workspace, starting right from a Google search and ending with a clean, professional name that everyone on your team will see. I'll keep things straightforward and add helpful tips along the way so you feel confident from start to finish. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion and look for the official result that points to Notion.com. This helps you avoid lookalike sites and gets you straight to the right place. Click the result to open Notion's homepage. On the homepage, choose Log In, usually found at the top right. Sign in using your normal method, whether that's an email link, a company single sign-on, or another option you typically use. Take a moment to make sure you're signing into the correct account so you land in the workspace you want to update. Once you're in, glance to the left sidebar. Near the top, you'll see your workspace name. Right next to it is a small three-dot menu. Click those three dots. If you're part of multiple workspaces, verify that you're viewing the one you intend to rename before proceeding. From the menu that appears, select Team Space Settings. This opens the settings panel where you manage how your workspace is identified and organized for your team. Inside the settings, locate the current workspace name. Click directly on that name to make it editable. Type your new name carefully. Choose something clear, concise, and recognizable to your teammates. Think of how it will look in the sidebar and on shared pages. If your organization uses multiple team spaces, consider a short prefix or a consistent naming pattern to reduce confusion. Steer clear of unnecessary symbols or extra punctuation, which can make it harder to search for or reference later. When you finish typing, confirm the change. In many cases, Notion saves automatically as soon as you click away or press Enter. Give it a moment and you should see the updated name reflected across the interface. Your teammates will see the new name as well. So this is a simple way to improve clarity across your workspace. That's all it takes. Search for Notion on Google, log in, open the three-dot menu beside your workspace name, go into Team Space Settings, and edit the name directly. If you don't see the option, you may need the right permissions, so check with your admin or consult Notion support resources for guidance. Thanks for following along, and great job keeping your workspace organized.